Last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good. There's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard. It's white,
okay.
and he does have white colored eyebrows now. And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang daily, hindi naman daily, siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin.
Excellent.
Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya. So, yes.